And welcome back. We kick things off with the football. The affiliates of the Kingston and St Andrew Football Association, KSAFA, are currently locked in a meeting to discuss Marvin Tate's resignation as General Secretary, as well as decide on his replacement. In his resignation letter on Tuesday, Tate outlined 5 areas of concern within the body, 2 of which questioned the financial integrity of the association. However, KSAFA President Mark Bennett, speaking on TVJ's Centre Circle, has rubbished Tate's claim that funds are missing from the association.
Anywhere in KSAFA, council meeting, special general meeting, Congress, we had an issue of $1 million. Missing $1 million was missing, that was raised by Mr. Tate or anyone else. Absolutely none. It does not exist.
So $1 million gone missing, as he stated, is not so, and records have not proven that.
I am quite willing, if the membership asks, for a forensic audit to be done.
And you can view the full interview with Mark Bennett during a TVJ's Centre Circle starting at 8:30 this evening.